Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep Grand Cherokee's tire pressure sensor. First, ensure all tires are inflated to the correct PSI, typically around 35 PSI for most models. An underinflated or overinflated tire can trigger the warning light. After adjusting, drive your Jeep for at least 10 minutes above 15 miles per hour. This allows the system to recalibrate and recognize the new pressures. If the light persists, you might need to manually reset the system. Some Jeep models have a dedicated TPMS reset button, often located under the dashboard. Press and hold it until the warning light blinks. If your model lacks this button, try disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. This can clear the system's memory, allowing it to relearn the tire pressures. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of all 4 tires. Look for any punctures, bulges, or signs of a slow leak. Also, examine the valve stems for any visible damage or corrosion, as this can sometimes prevent the sensor from transmitting correctly. If the light still won't turn off after these checks, it might indicate a faulty sensor or a more complex issue requiring professional diagnosis. If individual sensors are failing, they will need replacement. This usually involves dismounting the tire and using specialized tools, so it's often best handled by a mechanic. Sometimes, a software update for your Jeep's onboard computer can resolve communication issues with the TPMS. Always keep up with your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.